two towers of Supertech Emerald Court on the Noida Greater Noida Expressway. Either they will be demolished or they will survive. That is the big question, especially after the Supreme Court comments on the Noida Authority. Worst comments. Worst comments. You are reeking of corruption from your mouth, from your eye, from your nose, from everywhere. So the destiny of the towers are in dual state. नमस्कार, मैं हूं आचार्य कल्की कृष्णन फ्रॉम astrodeum.com. Around 8 years back, when these two towers were reaching the completion stage, I had alerted, even I had unofficially alerted when the construction was conceptualized, that the ultimate result of this construction will not be fruitful for any party, neither for Supertech Group, not for the investors, and even not for the Noida Authority, which has permitted the construction of these two towers. Why? Because these two towers were being constructed in the complete violation of the Vastu principles. Being as a responsible Vastu consultant, myself, and being a responsible Vastu organization, Astrodeum, had alerted all the persons who were stakeholders in this project. Even I released YouTube videos in Hindi as well as English, alerting the concerned parties. And ultimately what happened? In the April 2014, Allahabad High Court ordered demolition of these two towers. I again alerted. Why this is happening? Because you have violated, you have sacrificed all the Vastu principles while constructing these two towers. All the other towers in this project are of only 10 floors. And these two towers were being constructed with the 40 floors. And they are lying there. And as you can see on the map, these are constructed on the northwest direction of the whole project. Northwest direction is called Vayabhya in the Sanskrit, in the Vastu scriptures. What do you mean? What do you mean by Vayabhya? Vayabhya means related to air. Air is the most light element, and you are constructing such a heavy structure on the place of most light element. Moreover, Vayabhya direction or northwest direction is the direction of communication. The moment these two towers were constructed, all the communication stopped or went in the wrong direction. Communication with the RW of Supertech Emerald Court, with the Supertech, with the Noida Authority, and every person who was supposed to have say in this whole project. The whole communication stopped or deteriorated. Ultimately, the case went to the Allahabad High Court, and Allahabad High Court ordered the demolition of these two towers. The dream of the investors was shattered. Even on Feng Shui principles, this construction was in complete violation. These two towers symbolized, as per their energy, the wood element. Wood element is totally in enmity with the north direction as well as west direction, and when you are getting a anemic element between these two directions, certainly the disaster was bound to happen. I explained Feng Shui principles, I explained Vastu principles to all stakeholders, but no one considered, because everyone thought that money can buy anything. But Allahabad High Court given adverse verdict, and now Supreme Court is saying that Noida Authority, Mr. So-and-so, you are reeking up corruption from your mouth, from your ears, from your eyes, from your nose. You are reeking up corruption. What worse reaction we can expect from the apex court of the India, our land? But what I told 8-9 years back. I want to repeat the same right now. Again, after so many years, that the solution of the problem lies where the problem has arisen. If you have created a problem by violating the principles of Vastu and Feng Shui, you can resolve the thing only after getting solution from these two. And believe me, it can be done. Because at the subtle level, Vastu is the play of energy only. This is not the science of where to place bathroom, where to place kitchen, where to place drawing room, where to place bedroom, but it is the science of managing the whole energy of a place. How a bedroom represents, what type of energy kitchen presents, what type of energy toilet presents. If a Vastu consultant, experienced Vastu consultant knows all this, he can manage the energy in a very fruitful way. So, if you want to resolve, still there is ray of hope. If you can resolve that imbalance of energy in the project, still there is hope that these two towers may survive. But if you don't manage that, they are bound to be demolished. The decision of the Allahabad High Court given in when 2014 will be implemented. And all the resource, all the money, all the effort, everything went into these two towers will go into vain. So, once Shakespeare had said in the one character in this Shakespeare's play, Merchant of Venice had told, the very famous play, Merchant of Venice, he told that, I searched the arrow where I had thrown it. So, if you want to resolve, go into the same direction where you had thrown the arrow. Just go and beg with some experienced Vastu consultant, not some Panditji who is expert in puja, not some hobby person who has done course of Vastu for 4, 5 days, 6 days. The person who understands the nuances of Vastu, who has done Vastu deeply, who has great experience of the Vastu, he will certainly resolve that the clear message that. And why I am giving you the message? Because the resource, money and everything which is involved in these two towers are not only of the investors, not only of the Supertech Group, not only of the Noida Authority, but it is of our nation. The hundreds of crores spent on these two towers are of the nation, our nation, which is devoid of resources, scarce resources. And in the interest of our nation, I am again serving the suggestion, solution on your plate. Go and beg with some Vastu expert, he will resolve your issue. Thank you again. Namaskar.